Hey, you beautiful biscuits. Welcome back to the Wholesome Feed. If you're new here, hi. I'm Rose Kelly. I am a romance and erotic author. I write under the pen name Arm Kelly. You can check out all my saucy romance novels and novellas down below in the description box. And I love to talk about on here kind of my life as a location independent, kind of, I wouldn't even say a digital nomad, but it's the best term you have. You know, work from anywhere, work from home kind of mama. We do a little bit of urban homesteading, which I love to talk about on here, and also just how to live a balanced life as a mama in this day and age. I'm a millennial mom, which means, you know, I love to overwork and overextend myself and then think, oh, maybe I should be doing some more self-care, which is what inspired my Primal Self-Care page on Patreon. You're welcome to join there. You can start at $10 a month to come join our community, be a part of all of our quizzes, our weekly Friday night chats, our photo shoots, our exclusive video content on there. And if you join, you get access to my entire back catalog, which is several years worth of amazing, saucy, playful, and fun and inspiring self-care content on there. Ready? Let's get started in today's video though, because I want to talk about how to be a more organized parent. So I am not a naturally organized person at all. I am an agent of creative chaos. That is just what I am. If you look inside of my fridge, it's the look into my mind, which is just creative chaos. But the busier I have been, the more I've had to learn to be an organized parent so that our home life is beautiful and happy and my work life is balanced and productive when it can be, right? So I've had to adopt these ways to be a more organized parent, which if you are not naturally organized and you aren't quite sure where to begin, these are wonderful ways to begin to simplify your life, make it more organized, and actually remember what you're doing throughout the week and enjoy it, which is maybe the most important part of being an organized parent. Let's actually enjoy parenthood and this season of our lives, right? So first thing I do, and I have tried to not do this, I've tried to avoid it, but you can't. If you want to be an organized parent, you have to calendar. I have a little calendar. I call it the workstation, even though it's not for work, it's for family life. But I have a calendar in one little corner in my closet in my bedroom. And it's got our calendar, that's our monthly calendar. And then I have seasonal calendars for like library story time, baby gymnastics. I have that pinned up too, so that I can kind of cross-reference like drop-in classes for the family. School year calendars and everything for the homeschool co-op and everything. So that is my zone. So I can go and look there. And if I'm trying to plan something, I can look at the calendar, I can see what days are clear, what days are not. As we have kind of rolled into fall, all of a sudden it felt like, woo, we are just back into needing to be scheduled and calendar. We had a super free range summer, and now I'm like, yeah, no, I mean, it's heading into winter now. I need to make sure I'm staying on top of this. So calendaring is a wonderful, really easy way to just stay organized. I note down all of the important stuff on there, and it just makes me so much happier. If you want to get next level, buy a planner calendar. We'll talk about that more later. This helps me so much because I have the attention span of a small goldfish swimming around going, shiny, shiny. Oh wait, was there something shiny over there? So to help my goldfish brain, I set phone reminders. This is amazing. I have phone reminders about our homestead chickens. I have phone reminders about work commitments. I have phone reminders about school commitments. I have phone reminders about stuff we need to plan or do, or like, hey, you need to spend today booking things for something. And that is just how I do it. It pops up on my phone, beep, 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 and it reminds me. I even have phone reminders, I kid you not, that says, go have fun today. Yes, I do. Because it reminds me. I have one that's a monthly reminder. I think it's twice a month it pops up on my phone. I did this years ago. I don't even remember when I put this in my phone calendar. It's just like transferred over from phone to phone. It says, have a cookie. And that always makes me smile. And do I have a cookie? Most of the time I don't because I'm doing something else. But it makes me smile, and I love phone reminders. Phone reminders that actually make me chuckle and laugh and aren't just to-do lists, but like are little tickles throughout the day. I love that. Okay, this I find really important because as somebody that is not a naturally organized person, I don't like to have every second of my day planned out. It makes me a little twitchy. I want freedom. What I love to do is I leave free days open on our calendar, and this is really important for us. free days where it is literally scheduled. This is my son even calls it, do we have a free day today? Where we don't have to do anything. Maybe we stay around the house and we fold laundry and we watch movies. Maybe we go have fun and we do a mommy and me adventure. Maybe we just all take naps that day, right? Schedule it in, and that is as can be. Like, how much flexibility do we have in our schedules? But I really try to literally keep a day on the week where it's just our free relaxation day, because our family is full of neurodivergent, sensory folks that get overwhelmed, and we just need our downtime. So I calendar in our downtime and our free days so that we can't. Not like, no, we will not schedule anything on this day because we are going to have downtime. Sundays for me are a great downtime recenter day, and I really, really try to avoid ever scheduling anything on Sundays. I love to watch cartoons with the kids. I love to do a little spiritual practice. I love to sit and fold laundry once a week on Sundays and just kind of have quiet time. It's so important, and the kids are better behaved when they have enough free quiet time and their schedules are not so jam-packed that they never get to rest and take it easy. Okay, if you really want to be a more organized parent, you have to learn to not say yes to everything. And this is hard because there's fun play dates, there's fun things to do with the kids, there's great work opportunities, there's adventures to do, and sometimes you just have to learn to say enough is enough. We're scheduled well enough. Like, my son was trying to get me to sign him up for another extracurricular activity. And it was on a day where he was really busy already and would have been running from thing to thing. And I don't know, we're just going to say no to this. We're going to leave that time open, and we aren't going to so overwhelm our schedules that we can't actually enjoy our day or our week or our month or the season, right? I want us to have enough liberally free time in our schedule and in our family life that we're actually enjoying each other as a family, not just running from to-do list to to-do list, to task, to event, right? So learn to say no and set boundaries with yourself when you want to over-engage with your schedule to just enjoy your life. I am hoping that this inspires you to go out and be an organized parent this season for your own sanity and happiness, because that's why I love to be organized, is that we aren't missing fun things. I'm not feeling overwhelmed because I know what my schedule is, so it's easy for me to look at it and know which task I need to do when, or what time things are scheduled for. And that's so important, because when we aren't organized, we become overwhelmed so easily. And on the other hand, when we try to push our organization to the limit of our capacity, whatever that might be, some people are naturally way more organized, then we're going to stress out over that. So you just got to find kind of a middle path that brings you happiness but still keeps your family life all organized and easy to access and easy to understand for you. All right, biscuits, I'm going to see you on our primal month of self-care, where we are getting in touch with our inner beings. We are joining our community of like-minded self-carers and having fun together. And I hope you're going to join in on our weekly live chat, hello, and photo shoot.